remind my friends that I was born in the swamp that were George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. I do not recall whether we celebrated my birthday that year. What I remember most about that particular February is that Mom had made up her mind. She was going to join her husband with or without the permission from the Immigration and Naturalization Service. Mom had obtained suitcases and trunk for the type of belongings we could take with us to Ellis Island. Personal belongings that we could not take.
Ross or TJ Maxx, one of those two.
Walmart, Target. Walmart has.
Yeah, but Walmart clothes are gonna fall apart.
You don't know that.
They're not made very nice.
Okay, if they sell them there or they sell them there, they're exactly the same.
They don't sell the same.
I bet they do. I'll bet anything they do. There aren't Walmart brand pants. Where are these other places?
In here. Over there.
Get over there.
Just follow it around.
Are we confused? Okay, where am I going?
You're gonna turn right, you're gonna go across.
What are all these people doing? I'm seriously confused. Driving home.
Life doesn't come
It's a
with
parking
remote
lot, it's
control.
confusing.
So you're on your own with the Locks. You have the power to take control of free diabetes. Visit doihavefreediabetes.org today. That's doihavefreediabetes.org.
You don't have diabetes, you have pre-diabetes.
awareness programs. Did you know Love was born November 2nd? Did you know Love was raised in Bakersfield, California? Did you know Love plays college football at Utah State? Are you looking for lots of love touchdowns the rest of this football season? This is Lee from Discount Liquor, where we love being your one-stop shop for everything alcohol related. With our selection of over 15,000 varieties of beer, wine, liquor, and mixers, all at the lowest prices in town, Discount Liquor has all your tailgating needs covered. We are your football party beverage headquarters. Discount Liquor, 2 locations, at Home Key on 51st in Oklahoma, and in downtown Waukesha on Barstow and Maine. See all of our weekly specials at discountliquorinc.com.
What are we all doing here?
Why is she parked there? Oh, she's unloading a person.
I should park where it was before. Stand it. And you can't park here.
Park right next to that blue one.
Why is it marked 40?
This side is not a base.
What time is it?
22.
Just like wait. You want to get something from a drive-thru, eat while you're sitting there. You can eat lunch. What? What a quick trip, you want to get a run. That?
Want to go to the next one?
What?
I don't need it.
glauben oder zu ihnen kommen kann. Aber alle Dinge sind möglich bei Gott. Now können die 10 Gebote nicht halten.
sicher, dass der Vater Jesu Opfer antritt, weil er am Ostern abgestanden ist. Wir können uns selbst nicht retten, aber Jesus hat uns erlöst. Diese Teufel hat es so ausgedrückt: siehe, das ist Gottes Lamm, der die Weltsünde trägt. Oder Paulus schrieb, denn er hat
Everybody else just parked
der
here.
von keine Sünde wusste, die
I
uns
do too, but everybody else just parks here.
damit wir in ihm die Gerechtigkeit würden, die vor Gott gilt. Wir haben gesündigt, aber Jesus schenkt Vergebung und Seligkeit. Von uns aus ist Seligkeit unmöglich, aber bei Gott sind alle Dinge möglich. Diese Texte sind mancher Weise eine Augenuntersuchung für uns. Wo sind deine Augen fixiert? Schaust du dich selbst an?